In today's fast-paced digital world, standing out from the competition is more important than ever. We specialize in helping businesses dominate their market. Our team of experts crafts tailored solutions that amplify your brand, drive quality traffic, and convert leads into loyal customers. Boost your online visibility with proven SEO techniques, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Our social media strategies ensure your brand connects with the right people at the right time, driving engagement. Through strategic PPC campaigns, we help you reach your target audience cost-effectively, driving qualified leads. We create compelling content that informs and persuades, turning visitors into customers and advocates. Whether you're a small business looking to expand or an established brand wanting to enhance your digital presence, we can help. Ready to get started? Let's turn your digital presence into a market-leading force. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!